He's a cartoony little fellow, short and squatty, barely able to walk on dry land and dressed in a mismatch of colors. With a bright blue bill, black cap, and white cheeks, his rusty red body finishes a bizarre ensemble. It also gives him his name, the Ruddy Duck. Ruddy ducks are most often seen in Kansas during migration. Spring breeding season presents their best colors. Females are drab gray in contrast to the flamboyant males. Ruddies aren't hard to find in late March as the birds rest in Kansas during their trip to the breeding grounds farther north. Ruddies can be seen on just about any water body, but best chances will be at larger wetlands such as Cheyenne Bottoms, Jamestown, Meridicine, and Neosho wildlife areas, and at national wildlife refuges such as Quivira, Kerwin, Flint Hills, and the Meridicine. A few nest in Kansas, especially at Cheyenne Bottoms. Nests are placed in thick vegetation just above water level. Ruddies are part of a unique family known as stiff-tailed ducks. They have long, stiff tail feathers that bristle when the birds are courting. Both males and females exhibit this behavior. Ruddy ducks are diving ducks. They swim underwater to feed on seeds, insects, and crustaceans. They're usually underwater for about 10 seconds at a time, suddenly bobbing above the surface. Occasionally, a bird will pop up to collide with and startle a swimming flockmate. Ruddy ducks aren't as wary as some other waterfowl species, and a careful approach can provide a close-up view. Like all divers, they must have a running start to take flight, and they are fast flyers. Watch for them on Kansas lakes and marshes. They can be found at many Kansas Wildlife and Parks wetlands. I'm Mike Blair for Kansas Wildlife and Parks.